In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear forward control arm on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. Using a 19mm socket, remove the 4 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 15mm socket, remove the bolt for the lower forward control arm. We're going to have to cut the bolt out of the control arm. It's stuck inside of the sleeve. After cutting the head of the bolt halfway through, we're going to use a wrench and snap it off. Pop off the head of the bolt, and we'll make a cut on the other side where the nut is, and we'll pop that side off. Using a 15mm socket, remove the bolt for the control arm. Remove the control arm. Install the new arm. Install the bolt. Get it lined up and punched through. Get the top bolt lined up. Torque these bolts while the suspension is in a loaded state. You want the vehicle at curb height. Either put it on the floor or put a jack under the knuckle. Torque the bolts to 85 foot-pounds. Remove the jack. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug down the lug nuts. Torque the wheels to 94 foot-pounds in a cross pattern. Once you're done with this job, take your car to a local shop and have them do an alignment.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.